This colorless everything. Hold on, you guys. I'm about to let you guys see it. Look at that. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sassy Dassy. Okay, so in this video I got a old table, which you can see right here. My mom actually gave it to me. Hold on. My mom actually gave it to me. I'm gonna kind of lift it up so you guys can see it. I have already kind of detached it, so it has some stains on it and things of that nature. So what I decided to do was do a more of a distressed look. So I went to Home Depot and I got this right here, right? I'll move it a little bit closer. It's in the color gingham. It's more like a kind of powdered blue, because this is some chalk decorative spray. So that's the reason why I'm outside, because I didn't want to do this inside, and I knew it has a matte finish. So I'm gonna just spray this top real good, just to add a little bit more life to it. And then after I get through spraying and get the coats that I'm okay with, that I'm happy with, then I'm gonna just take some sandpaper, and then I'm just gonna kind of buff out just so a little bit of this brown can come through that powder blue to give it kind of more of a distressed look, just to add a little bit more life to this table. Since it already has some knits on it already, it's kind of okay. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna actually just kind of go over it real quick with the sandpaper, just to be able to give it a little bit of life. And then we're gonna add the coats on of the chalk decorative paint. And then from there, once I get it, you'll be able to see kind of like the final. If you're interested in this video, make sure you stay tuned. If you haven't already did so, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys like this video, so stay tuned. This is my first time doing this, so this will be kind of like a transformation video, kind of like a refurbish, upgrade, whatever you want to call it. But I wanted to just kind of bring a little bit life to this table, because it's super heavy. So I know it's like really good wood, so I want to bring a little bit more life to it. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is gonna just get some sandpaper. I'm just gonna literally fold it in half like this right here, and then I'm just gonna go at it. All right. Okay, now that I did that, oh, sorry. I'm actually, and I also have my face mask. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, because I am gonna be spraying this spray paint. It's almost like a aerosol, like a spray paint. So I don't want to be inhaling that. That's another reason why I'm outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So if I seem a little muffled, it's because I'm trying to make sure I don't inhale too much of this spray paint. Okay. hold it up so you guys can see it. You see that? It kind of has this like a really pretty marble look on it right now. So I'm gonna just let this stuff dry right now, and then we'll go back in and we'll just start adding some scrapes to kind of bring the color in. So stay tuned, and we'll get into the sandpaper, and then we'll have the final reveal once everything is actually done. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are back. I'm gonna, as you can tell, the table is dry. You can actually see at your angle, you can kind of see where some wet spots are, but whenever I go like this, we're pretty good. So now here comes the fun part, adding a little bit distressing to the table. This part is completely up to you. This part you can do as much as you want. You can go crazy. You can go very minimum. This is completely up to your liking, but I love the blue finish and everything. It looks amazing. When we get done, I add pictures, and so you can really be able to get a good look of everything. So I'm gonna put my mask back on because I am gonna be sanding, and I don't want all the dust coming back up on me. But this right here is where you can kind of go crazy. So I'm gonna sand a little bit, probably step back, take a look, sand a little bit more, you know, and then we will give you the final product. Yes. Okay, I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, stay tuned. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna sand for a little bit longer, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the final product. You guys, I love the outcome. This table looks amazing. This table looks brand new. The table has so much life into it, and I'm so happy I was able to give it a different look. This was so much fun. This was very easy. It was a very unique way to do it, and let's just say it was a very cheap way to add life to your furniture. I hope you guys love this video. I have also added a before and after picture where it first started, whenever I, just before I even started the project, and then where it was after I got through doing the scraping. I hope you all guys love this video. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. I hope you have an awesome rest of your week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.